Today we're going to take one product image and turn it into 9 beautiful ready to post ads or social media posts, as well as UGC posts and video ads. Now, this skill, the Ad Factory OS, is a one-stop shop for everything advertisement related. So video posts, UGC posts, image posts, anything that you want for your product, we can build it with the Ad Factory OS. Now you can see a couple of examples on screen, as well as another example here. So we've taken one product image, turned it into 9 on-brand beautiful images, as well as a video ad and UGC ads. Now, the skill is called Ad Factory OS. You can download it for free inside of the Automators community. It will be the first link in the description so you can follow along with this setup. So let's get straight into it. So the Ad Factory OS is a one-stop shop for everything ad related. We take one product photo and we turn it into 9 ads, product motion clips, so video ads, and then we can also create UGC ads, all from this one skill. Now there are 3 levels to this skill. We'll go over them all individually later, but level 1 being the image ads like you saw a second ago. Then we're going to take those image ads and a concept and turn it into a video ad, and then we can actually create UGC ads as well. So this skill works by using one of these 4 providers. Now, by default, we have it set up with Higgsfield, but you can use Foul.ai, WaveSpeed, or Key, and I'll show you how to use all of those in the video. So to get started with the Ad Factory OS, you will need Claude Code, either in an IDE like VS Code or Cursor, or in this case, the Claude Code desktop app. Any of those are completely fine, but for the purpose of this video, we'll be using the Claude Code desktop app. So make sure you have a Claude Code account and you're inside one of them. But again, for the purpose of this video, we're just going to be using the Claude Code desktop app. When you're inside of the Claude Code desktop app, you want to click on this Code tab in the top left-hand sidebar, and then you want to open the Ad Factory skill, or just copy and paste the GitHub link straight into Claude Code and ask it to set it up for you. Again, you can access it completely for free inside of my free school community, Automators, first link in the description, so you can follow along with this video. Now you can see here that I'm inside of the Ad Factory OS folder, and then all I'm going to do is I'm just going to ask Claude to set up this skill for me. Can you set up the Ad Factory OS skill for me? So while Claude is setting up this skill for us, I want to explain why I built the Ad Factory OS. Now, the main reason for building this was for like a one-stop shop for everything ads. So instead of having a bunch of separate skills to generate images, to generate videos, to generate UGC content, I've packaged it all together so it's an all-in-one solution for everything. So you can see that the Ad Factory OS skill is or has been set up for me, and it's saying that I already have my Higgsfield MCP connected. If you don't have a Higgsfield account or have it connected to Claude, it's really easy to do. Just head over to Higgsfield, click on MCP and CLI, copy and paste this MCP into the Claude Code chat, and it will guide you through that process. If you don't want to use Higgsfield, that's completely fine. We can use either Key, Foul, or WaveSpeed. Like I mentioned in the beginning of this video, it's extremely easy to set up. All you need to do is head over to one of those providers, create an account, click on API keys, create a new API key, copy and paste that straight into the Claude chat, and then it will go ahead and set that up for you. Okay, so now we have our image and video providers set up. Again, I'm using Higgsfield for this example, but you can use any of the ones that I've mentioned. They're pre-set up for you with this skill, so don't worry. You just need to copy and paste that API key in. Now we're going to go over level 1, which is creating 9 ads from our one product image. All we need to do here is just drag and drop our product image into our Claude chat. It's as simple as that. Then we also need to just provide a short description of what our product is, maybe a few key features, maybe ingredients, depending on what product you are using. But it's very, very simple. Okay, so all I've done is I've just dragged and dropped a product image into the Claude chat, and then I've given it a brief description of what the product is, who's it for, the angle, and then the platform that I'm going to be posting these image ads on. So you can see a vitamin C face serum in a 30ml frosted glass dropper bottle. It's for 25 to 40-year-old women who already have a skincare routine and want brighter, more even looking skin without adding 5 more steps. And then I've also given it the angle, 1 bottle, 1 step, visible difference, calm and premium, and then obviously the Instagram feed. So I'd prefer the images to be square. That's all you need to do for level 1 and the first step of the Ad Factory OS. So we're going to hit enter now, and then we'll look at the results when they are finished up. Okay, so now the 9 concepts for each ad have been written, and Claude has come back with exactly what is going to be on the ad. So the angles, the scene, the description, the CTA, and then it's going to ask us a few confirming questions. So you can see here, frame 7 needs a decision from you. Frame 4, asking even more questions, and then it's going to basically just tell us how much this is going to cost in credits, on Higgsfield being the provider that I've chosen for this demo. So I'm going to go ahead, answer those questions, and tell Claude to actually generate these 9 ads for me, and then we'll take a look at them. Okay, so Claude has finished up our 9 image ads, so we'll take a look at them. I just wanted to mention a couple things here. So Claude has rendered our image ads using the Higgsfield MCP. Now, during this process, there were a few mistakes, but the skill double checks these ads before they get back to you, if that makes sense. So if there's any errors in the image, it will go ahead and regenerate those images before you actually see them. So you can see this pop up here. Before I show you that, I'm just going to scroll down, and we see our 9 ads here. I mean, if you don't like any of them, you can always go back and change them. You can say be more creative, add more color, etc. That's completely up to you. Now, I've got Claude to go ahead and generate this HTML for us so we can look at each ad individually, and then we can go from there. So if you've got an ad set that you like and you're ready to continue to level 2, we can go ahead and do that. Now, Claude will actually give you a recommendation on what ad to turn into a video ad, or what concept. So it's saying frame 9, golden hour would be the best to animate, along with frame 5. So let's go ahead and do that. First, I just wanted to explain what level 2 is. Now, level 2 is the video ad. So if you remember what I showed you at the beginning of the video, so this section here, this video ad, is what we're going to be creating with level 2. So I've gone ahead and asked Claude to use frame 5 being our image ad to create a video ad for us. Now, you can kind of see here how this skill is set up. So you take a product photo, you generate tons of different ads, image ads, and then you move on to level 2 being the video ad, and then eventually you'll move on to a UGC set of ads. So again, it's like a one-stop shop for everything ad creating. So perfect for anyone who wants to create a bunch of ads from a single product photo without having to juggle a bunch of skills. You just have this one skill that does it all for you. Okay, so in about 5 minutes time, our video ad has come back completed. So let's check this out. Okay, so not too bad for a first attempt at this video. You can see we've got a variety of shots in there, 16:9, ready to go video ad for our product. Now let's move on to level 3. Level 3, we are going to create a real UGC ad. Now we're going to take our product image. Then I have some preset UGC video types, so like unboxing videos, character demonstration, character benefits, all of that stuff are preset in this skill for you. Now you just need to select one of those, tell it what avatar you want, then it will generate a 12 to 15 second UGC ad for you. Cool, so we're moving on to level 3. Now, here it's basically saying I have 26 preset UGC video types already in this skill for you. So here's just a couple that is recommended. So just format direct to camera, format unboxing, format how to or before or after, and then a product showcase. These are the 4 that is suggested for our product, but there are a bunch more, as you can see here. So the full catalog, a bunch of different templates baked into the skill, ready for you guys to use. So we're going to pick one of these and get a UGC ad generated. Okay, so our UGC ad has been generated. Let's check it out.
My skin hasn't looked like this in years. I just added Vila Vitamin C Serum, one step, right after moisturizer. That's it. Nothing else changed.
Perfect. There you have it. There is level 3 complete with our UGC ad. Again, if you need any edits here, you can just ask Claude to make a change for you. Okay, there you have it, guys. We have our final output here. So you can see all of our ads. You can see our videos with our UGC ad as well. Let's watch these one more time.
My skin hasn't looked like this in years. I just added Vila Vitamin C Serum, one step, right after moisturizer. That's it. Nothing else changed. My skin has...
Perfect. So the Ad Factory OS, like I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you can get it completely for free inside of my free community automators. First link in the description, so you can have that one-stop shop for all of your ads. Really easy to set up, just like we did in this video. Thank you very much for watching. I've got tons more really cool skills on the way. Also, drop the ads that you create inside of the automators community. I'd love to see them. Thank you very much and have a great day.